Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with a very soothing and emotional poem from class 9 English Beehive, Rain on the Roof by Curtis Kinney. This poem beautifully describes the joy of listening to raindrops falling on the roof while lying in bed. The poet feels relaxed and peacefully, and the sweet sound of rain takes him back to his childhood memories, so especially of his loving mother. So in this video, we will go through the poem line by line and understood how the rain becomes a symbol of comfort, imagination, and nostalgia for the poem. So let's begin. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry sphere and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. Here, humid shadow means dark, moisture-filled clouds. Steady sphere means the sky with stars. These clouds cover the night sky. It's hiding the stars. The melancholy means sad. Darkness seems to cry as the rain is like the tears of the sky. Here, the poet is painting a picture of a rainy night where the sky is cloudy, stars are hidden, and also the rain is falling like tears. It shows that the sky is crying. The atmosphere feels calm and emotional, as if nature itself is sharing its sadness. What a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Here, bliss means great joy. The poet lies on his pillow inside his small home or cottage. He listens to the patter. Patter means soft tapping sound of raindrops on the roof. So, the poet expresses the happiness and comfort of lying in bed during rainfall. He feels safe inside, enjoying the musical sound of the rain which is falling on the roof. The contrast between the storm outside and the warm inside makes us feel relaxed. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. Here shingles means tiles on the roof. Okay, the tiles on the roof present, that is known as shingles. And tinkle means that is the light or the musical sound which is forming outside. Each raindrops makes a soft sound on the roof which touches the poet's heart. So these sounds fill his mind with warm dreams and imaginations. So the raindrops which is falling on the roof create a magical effect. This sound is not only pleasant but also deeply emotional. It makes poet emotional. It makes the poet imagination active, like opening a dream to a doors, you can say. And 1,000 recollections weave their air thread into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Here recollection means the memories, collection of memories, you can say. Air thread into woof means weaving thread together, or like in a cotton or cloth. His memories are coming together while he listens to the rain. So the poet minds becomes a you can say the wave of thoughts and memories. Each raindrop steers his past and he begins to recall like a different moments of life. The rain acts as a connection between his present and his past. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years ago to regard the drawing dreamers, ere she left them till the dawn. So the poet remembered his mother in this stanza saying, years ago means years ago, like in the past. She used to look lovingly at her children. Children means, you can say this word means dreamers, to represent dreamers, before they fell asleep, and they leave them till morning. So the rain awakes the most emotional memory of the poet of his past, that is his mother. He remembers how she cared for him in childhood, watching him with love and affection before letting him sleep peacefully. Oh, I feel her fond looks on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Fond look means loving grace. Okay, a list means listen carefully, and refrain means repeated music. The poet feels as thought his mother's love is still with him when he listens to the rain sound. So even though his mother is no longer alive, and he feels her presence like through memories of the rain. The rain's music seems like a lovingly reminding him of her love, of a life that is her mother. The rain is not just a natural phenomenon for him, so it becomes an emotional bridge for the childhood and his mother's affection. Okay, so this was a poem. So if we see the theme of this whole poem, it says that the poet shows how rain is more than just a natural event. It is not just a natural event for the poet, but it's more than many things. Its sounds bring peace, okay, brings happiness, it stirs imagination, and which is most importantly, it awakes the deepest, sweetest memories of childhood and the poet's loving mother. It reminds him. So the poem, that is Rain on the Roof, which is written by Cortez Kelly, beautifully expresses how the sound of rain brings joy, comfort, and sweet memories. The poet finds happiness in lying safely in his cottage while listening to the musical patter sound which is falling on his roof of his house. So these sounds awake his imaginations and connect him to his past, okay, especially with his childhood memories and with his loving mother. Through this poem, the poet shows that rain is not just a natural event but also a source of peace, dreams, and emotional warmth. Okay, it reminds us that simple moment in nature can awake our deepest feelings and bring back the sweetest memory. So, if we see, the central idea of this poem is that the sound of rain is both soothing and nostalgic. It gives us comfort in our present and also it connects with our past. So that was the conclusion of Rain on the Roof. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more such English literature explanations. See you in the next video.